Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the Post Market Show. A good end to the week. Nifty ending again near its all-time high levels. The weekly candle ending in a green, so that was good. Everything did well. Back Nifty above 45,000, and that was a level we were talking about. That level closing above that will indicate a bullishness up ahead for Back Nifty. All that has happened. A good end to the week, definitely after we had multiple weeks of continuous selling. Then last week markets recovered, and this week it was a fantastic recovery. Markets almost moved up the entire or recovered the entire losses it made in the last 6 weeks. So very good days up ahead, hopefully, if the global cues are in line with expectation and supports the Indian market. So this is the Nifty chart. Let's open with Nifty. So let's open up the weekly chart because we'll get the macro picture. So you can see the Nifty, after having almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of selling, and now in just 2 weeks market is back up to where it was around the July and the July highs. So it's already there, so that's good definitely for the markets. And even on the daily charts you can see continuous red green candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of continuous up move in Nifty. And we were riding this trend, and today being a Friday, I was expecting some kind of profit booking or consolidation, but that did not happen. Markets moved up and beautifully respecting these levels which we had discussed. So markets opened with a gap up, came slightly down around 19,730, then broke the day's high around 1130, went up ahead. 19,818 was taking as a resistance, and then markets moved up further, and it took a resistance around 19,870 levels. So again, the levels being respected beautifully. So that is all for Nifty, up by 0.47 percentage, almost 92 points up once more. So that is all good. Coming to Back Nifty, again a fantastic day, 0.62 percentage up after yesterday's rally. So this was expected, and you can see markets, it opened almost flat or slight gap up, and then it moved up immediately. It took resistance around 45,074. I told you this is a very important level. You can see markets was taking once that was broken, it took support multiple times till 150, and then there was the up move, and where it did it move on to 45,382. That level was also marked for many days, and then finally market settled somewhere around 45,156, 0.62 percentage up by 278 points. Back Nifty looking pretty good with these with the up move happening today. Now it is bullish. I would say we can go long with stop loss around 45,000, I believe. Mid cap, small cap, nothing to say. As I say every day is a new all-time high. Today is no different. Mid caps up 0.95 percentage, small caps up 0.6 percentage. So everything looking deep green. But sectors, unfortunately, there are some sectors which are in the red, and there are some which are in the green. Talking about bearish first, we have media 0.97 percentage down. That was the worst affected sector today. Pharma down by 0.36 percentage. Metals almost flat, nothing major happening. FMCG and IT down by 0.1 percentage. Nothing much happening over there as well. Sector which did the best was energy, up by 1.39 percentage. Reality up by 2.12 percentage, and banking and financial services stocks doing well, up by 0.5 to 0.8 percentage, all of them. And auto stocks also did well, up by 0.67 percentage. In index movers, again, more than 50% of the stocks are in green. HDFC Bank leading the Nifty, followed by L&T. Then we have Reliance, ICICI Bank, NTPC, Bharti Airtel. So these are the top 6 like top movers. Top draggers include ITC, TCS, Ultratech Cement, Tata Steel, Apollo Hospitals. So these are the top draggers. Again, they're not drag market by that much. FIIs continue to sell, although they have sold, the selling figure is less. They have sold for 224 crores today. But DIIs have supported the markets, and they have supported it well, buying almost close to 1150 crores. That looks fine. Economic calendar, if you look at it, we just had 2 datas to be watched out for today. GDP growth rate for Japanese market, it came at 1.2 percentage versus 1.3 percentage was the expectation. And then if you look at the other one is German inflation data came at 6.1% in line with expectation. No changes there. Now global markets, let's look at that. Global markets, they were kind of bearish, but our markets, despite global markets being bearish, they moved up. So yesterday US markets ended in the green. Today is a follow-up rally, but markets are just up by 0.2%. Still it is in the green. Same with Dow Jones, up by 0.2%, and Nasdaq is also up by 0.26%. So interestingly, US markets are just slightly in the green. The European markets are all in the green once again. UK and French markets are both 0.6% up. German is also up by 0.14%. But Asian markets, all of them are down, with Hong Kong leading the fall with 1.3% down. Japanese markets down by 1.16%, followed by Chinese and Korean markets slightly down, nothing much. And even the Australian markets are down by 0.25% right now. So this is the overall picture. As you can see, India VIX, after yesterday moving up, it came down again slightly today. 10.78 is the current levels. Nothing much happening. Crude oil prices continue to hover around the same level of 87.5, and nothing much has happened. Gold prices are also hovering at the same level for the last 3 days. And if you look at metals, there is some up move and down move. Iron has moved up slightly, but rest all metals are down. Zinc leading the fall by 2%, copper 1% down, aluminum down 0.5%, and even sugar is falling today by 1.6%. Currency wise, we have the dollar index. Let's look at that. Dollar index is at 105. It is moving up slightly, but yeah, it is slowly moving up. Indian rupee gaining strength today against the dollar. That is good. It has broken 83. It's at 82.98, but very, very close to that. And against euro and the pound sterling, it has been doing well. And yesterday the swing low was broken in GBP, and it's already down by down to 103.39. And against euro as well, similar thing has happened. The swing low was broken, and now you can expect a fall till 88 levels, I believe, 88 or somewhere around 88.24. Yeah, let's mark it over here, so we can keep a track of this. So that is the next target, somewhere around here. Yeah, okay, so this is the currency market. And Indian market are again, they are not following the global cues. They are up despite everything, and things are looking good. Gift Nifty is indicating a high of almost 19,949, so that is very, very close to 20,000. So that is very interesting indeed. Open interest, obviously everything should look bullish, and they are. Bank Nifty is 1.3 put call ratio, it is bullish. Bank Nifty is also 1.28 is the put call ratio, it is very, very bullish as well. And 20,000 seems to be the highest amount of call written at 20,000, logical, because it's round figure, previous all-time high. And on the downside, puts are written at 19,500, 600 and 700, and calls are just there at 20,000. Back Nifty, similarly, we have 45,000, 44,500, added huge amount of calls, but 44,500 and 46,000 having some amount of calls as well. But by Monday, we will get a clearer picture. Right now, things are looking bullish, definitely. So what to expect now, since markets Nifty is around its swing high. So over from here, the next target is the all-time high levels of. Let's mark that level. Okay, there are a lot of lines, I know, but they are important. So yeah, we can expect the next target around 19,979 or around 19,980. What was all-time high previous one? 19,991. So yeah, 19,991, something around that level is going to be the next resistance. Very, very close to 20,000, as you can see. So 970 to 990 is going to be the next resistance level for the markets. And well, looking at it, it should take a break, I would say, at least in the first half of next week. So then the rally can be more strong, because markets already moved up around what, close to more than 350 points, and it should take some rest, and then breaking the all-time high would be more logical. That is the expectation for now. And back nifty, but back nifty does have a lot of room up ahead. Next resistance is 45,650, 45,900, and 46,258. Back nifty clearly looks bullish from these levels, and I won't mind going long with a stop loss around 45,000. That sounds logical. Down below we have supports at 44,770, 44,500, and 44,151. So these are the levels to watch out for. Nifty is support, if you ask, again 19,731, then 19,566, 530, and Nifty shouldn't break 19,500. I know it is a lot of points away, but they are very, very good supports. Immediate support is 19,731. That is definitely to be watched out for. So yeah, that is all from my side. We have a weekend ahead. Let's see what the developments over the weekend, and I hope next week is a positive week. Definitely banks are looking good, like I've said. Nifty could pause at least in the initial the first few days of the week, and then if it rallies, it is a healthy rally. Or the other thing can happen, markets can open and move above 20,000 again. Then once 20,000 is hit, you know what happens. A lot of people start selling immediately. It's a round figure. Resistance immediately comes and sets in, so that can also happen. So we will all watch out for that next week. Hopefully we get a new all-time high. That is all from my side. Hope you have a very good weekend. Thank you for watching, and have a good night.